Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little puppy bow using the Mini Bowdabra. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm going to cut a piece that is long enough to fold in half and fit underneath my Bowdabra and then also tie onto the puppy's leash. So the first thing I'm going to do is take about say not quite, maybe an inch of ribbon on this side, and I'm going to actually do my mountain up so you can see that's going to allow it, and I want that to be 1 inch. That's going to allow it to not be fall out of the Bowdabra. So I'm going to do the same thing here and make it 1 inch over, and I'm doing my mountain up, scrunch that in. And then I'm going to come back in the center and do a little mountain up. And what's nice about the mountain up is it makes it so that you don't have to sew. And now I'm going to just scrunch my bow down. And I'm going to put my little corker ribbons in here and my little purple one. And then I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand again and scrunch everything down in here. And then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, I'm going to pull it through the slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. I'm going to pull it out, then I'm going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to tie a double knot and knot that again. And then I'm going to clip this end here. Whoops, I think I'm going to clip it. And on this side in here, I'm also going to clip it. So we're just going to go across here and clip all that. And I clipped my wire. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just take my little puppy, and I'm going to bring this around his leash or his collar and just tie this here. I'm going to just twist it all together and fluff this out and fluff this side out. And now you have this adorable little puppy bow. It was so simple to make. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.